Hi guys, I'm Nidhi Chandan from Mystic Studio and we are a 18-year-old brand of Delhi Exhibition World. So our presence is not only in the exhibition world where we hold a foothold, we also are in all shows in Delhi. We have a big one kiosk at the West Mall of Delhi from 15 months, and for wholesale and retail you need to take an appointment and come to our studio in Malviya Nagar. So it is a pre-booking because we have shows in Delhi as well. So that's the introduction for us. Also, we've bagged 5 awards in the Facebook and we have entered the YouTube fraternity from a year with a bang. So here we are with you and we are an old face and Atar could not come to shoot. So I'm here recording this video for you guys. So let's put in some important points as Atar does. So one, we do not have any COD. We do DHL for abroad and DTDC couriers for all over India. For all army officers where there is no couriers flying, we'll do a speed post to you. And an opening video is utmost important. And all the startups, all the multi-designer store holders, because we have a data bank of 70,000 now through our Instagram and Facebook. We also would like you to, supposing you want a minimum order, it's a MOQ of at least 15 pieces. So 15 to 20 pieces is mandatory from our end. So let's not waste time and start our all white, off-white collection first. And then we will go forward with single pieces also. So we are starting off with our all white and off-white collection. And our prices are going to be varying. So we're going to be speaking retail prices. So don't think with the first article ki our pricing is very high. No, it will start at $14.95 for you guys, retail. So retail ke prices bole ja rahe hain. The quad which I am wearing, so I am wearing comfortable pants just because I wanted to do the show, but it's a quad. So this is a very special quad and a very rich looking quad. You can see all handwork on this quad. Full handwork के साथ हमारा बहुत beautiful सा off-white सा quad है. I've tied up this and it's a very nice high quality muslin silk, summer friendly and a winter friendly, complete with linings. It's really a awesome piece for any party or an occasion. So this is priced at 3488. Another piece which I'm showing you is again another latest piece. Launching just now for this, and see this. So look at this very pretty piece, very pretty. The price for this retail is 2588 only. All handwork 2588. Look at this beautiful nice number. Plain pants. Another one is this one. So this is a good nice soft khara cotton. And this has thread work out here. So very rich nice number, and you can see these bohemian sort of pants, but very comfortable pants. If you want, आप हल्का सा इसको कटवा के straight भी कर सकते हैं. And we have sizes from M to a 46. So जितने भी मैंने अभी quads दिखाए हैं सारे M to 46 available. Another beautiful piece, very nice number. With the belt आपको डालना ऑप्शनल है, नहीं तो आप यहाँ से किसी भी रोड साइड टेलर से इसको कटवा सकते हैं. इट्स अगेन अ वेरी नाइस क्वाड. पूरा इस पर सीक्वेंस का वर्क आ रहा है पूरा. डोंट थिंक इस पे सीक्वेंस का वर्क नहीं है, थ्रू आउट सीक्वेंस का वर्क है. एंड अगेन इट्स गॉट अ कॉटन लाइनिंग. इट्स अ समर फ्रेंडली पीस, गुड फॉर योर लिटिल स्मॉल बर्थडे पार्टीज और लिटिल ओकेजन्स, इवन लाउंज बार्स के लिए बहुत अच्छा गुड heavy cotton ka piece. Price is 2588. Another piece, now this is a single piece. Since I'm just showing off white, we could have more also. I need to check because we have 2 kiosks, but abhi as of now हमारे पास 42 to 46 की availability. So आप देख सकते हैं सारा thread work है और हल्का सा इस पर ऐसे जा रहा है sequence line. बहुत pretty सा quad है. प्राइस इसका है 2488. So this is a premium collection Mystic Studio, and then You can see this very pretty number. इसमें आपको साइजिंग मिल जाएगी. ऑफ वाइट में आपको ये दिखने को मिल रहा है. ब्यूटीफुल मसलिन. यहाँ पर ऑल हैंडवर्क. Very pretty work here. Very rich quad. Look at this. And the price is 2488 only. So these kind of things, when I walk into a exhibition like Jalsa or any other good exhibition, I will not price it below 3500 to 4500. Now the next piece, we have a few sizes in this also, and it's a very nice hip covering quad. You can see that these are the pants and this is the piece. It's a very rich number. Very nice, good, cool, nice number. The price is only 1888 only. 1888 only. Another piece is a coin work piece. It's with tulip pants. It's with tulip pants and a very rich number. Ye wala. And the price is 1888 only. All white. And these are, look at this. रियल मिरर्स आउट हियर. यहाँ पर सारा रियल मिरर है और ट्यूलिप पैंट्स के साथ है. प्राइस इज 1888 ओनली. अनदर क्वाड इज अ वेरी रिच क्वाड. इट्स एन ऑफ वाइट. गुड फॉर एनीबडी हु इज अ लिटिल एजेड ऑल्सो एंड यंग ऑल्सो. इस पे सारा मेटल वर्क आपको दिख रहा होगा. कंप्लीट मेटल वर्क. वेरी रिच सीरीज एंड अ वेरी प्रिटी नाइस क्वाड. Now this is made in pure Chinon Georgette. Pure का piece है ये. You should understand when I say pure. And a very rich piece. The price is 2888 only. So continuing with our off-white collection, we have this beautiful quad, which is a very nice cotton slab. And we are giving free neck pieces with this quad, and this is the lower. So the price is 1495. Another one is this. So इस पर भी अगर आप देखोगे तो फ्री साइज कोड है, बिकॉज आपका यहाँ बेल्ट आ रहा है. एंड दिस इज द हैंडवर्क. वेरी वेरी प्रिटी पीस. द प्राइस इज 1495. एंड नाउ अनदर पीस. इसका दूसरा कलर. सो दिस इज अ प्योर लिनन कोड. व्हेन यू गो टू द इंस्टाग्राम यू विल सी कि ये हमारा मॉडल शूट हुआ है. इसमें मैं आपको ब्लैक भी दिखा रही हूँ ऑप्शनल. और बहुत सुंदर प्योर लिनन का कंसेप्ट है. सुपर सॉफ्ट लिनन. दिस इज द हैंडवर्क. दिस इज द एजिंग. सो एंड विद द लाइनिंग. इट्स अ वेरी नाइस क्वाड. द प्राइस पॉइंट ऑफ दिस क्वाड इज 2388 ओनली. प्योर लिनन. एंड द नेक्स्ट पीस टू गो इज अगैन अ स्पेशल क्वाड. लाइक जैसे मैंने मटेरियल डाला हुआ है. इट्स अ वेरी नाइस क्वाड. गुड फॉर योर स्टोर्स ऑल्सो, फॉर whoever is buying in wholesale. This is a very nice quad. Fabric is to die for. It's a muslin premium series. इसके आपके दो कलर्स आ रहे हैं. The price of this quad is 2888 only. All sequins, all handwork. Only 2 colors shown. Another quad. So this quad we have done a lot in the exhibition which we do. And ये वाला हमारा जो सीरीज है इस पे सारा हैंडवर्क है मेटल का. प्राइस इज 2188 ओनली. और हल्के हल्के कॉइन्स हैं और मसलिन की सीरीज है और बहुत सुंदर सा हैंडवर्क है. 2188 ओनली. एंड नाउ वी हैव अ कोऑर्डिनेट. सो वी आर गोइंग टू बी शोइंग यू लॉट ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट्स लाइक दिस गोइंग थ्रू द वीडियो. सो द साइज ऑफ दिस कोऑर्डिनेट इज M to a XXL. And it's a cotton nice material with a lining. And this is all brush paint. ये सारा brush paint का piece है. And the price point of this is 1999. And now एक तरफ काफ्तान और एक तरफ कुर्ता. So we have a few pieces in this. This is all handwork. All in all handwork. A very pretty piece. That's your back. With a lower which is this color. The price is 2450. So this is a muslin premium series. Muslin की premium series है. 2450 only. All sequins. Beautiful number. Another piece. is again a beautiful piece. We've put a oxidized neck piece with it, which is complimentary. Comes with a black trouser and a kaftan. The price is 1,888. Now these are very nice quads. बहुत cute से quads है. ये देखिए, बहुत pretty quads है. ये सारे हकोबा के pieces हैं. और throughout, if you see, there is a hakoba lower. Sizing is varied from M to a XXL, and the prints are very, very pastel and nice. The price is only 2250. Another quad is this. So this is a soft crepe, very rich series, and this is the lower. So we've tried to cover everything, keeping summer in mind. All sizes is available. सारे size available है. Price है 2480. Now a bohemian dress. इसमें we have sizes in this bohemian dress. इस तरह से रहेगी. Price है इसका 1199. 1199 only. It's a lurex cotton with this lace. Another one 1199. We have all sizing in this bohemian dress. This is the thread work. Another piece, long dress, 1388 only a dress. यहाँ पर आपका क्रेप आ रहा है, इधर शिफले प्योर कॉटन का पीस with the embroidery. Price is 1388. Another very nice kurta. Again a very rich piece. Medium to XXL is available. The piece is super rich with lurex cotton and a chiffon, and the price of this is 1388 again. Most highly sellable piece, Mystic Studio. We have up till the plus sizes, it's available. Up till size 54 available. These are real mirrors, and the price point of this is 1550. 1550. We haven't forgotten you if you have little functions and parties in your house. We have this beautiful gown, come a dupatta. Since we are just highlighting the off-white collection, Mystic Studio, you must have a look at this piece. It's a gorgeous piece, highly restocked, highly restocked, and the price point of this is 4500 only. 4500 only, and this is the dupatta. It's a very rich classic series. So the next section which we are showing you is some stitch suits, but of white and whites. So we have a very special dupatta, and usually you see this dupatta during teach shows in Delhi in Ashoka Hotel. And this particular piece has this kind of a work here, sequins and gota on the sleeves, and this is the piece. So pink lowers, which is a straight pants, and this is the look of the piece, which looks very, very rich. So even for a sundowner, you can wear this between weddings. Just a suggestion. And another piece which I'm showing you is a sharara, which is a very rich looking piece. So this is all thread work in the sharara. दोनों तरफ में ऐसा work है आपका. And this is the look of the piece. So this is the work on the dupatta. And the shirt जो है आपकी, वो आपको stitch कराना पड़ेगा. It's a very rich looking number. Price for this would go on a demand. And shirt is also stitched actually. So आपकी शर्ट मीडियम टू 44 रहेगी, और बहुत प्रिटी सा पीस है. लुक एट दिस. द होल इम्पैक्ट ऑफ दिस इज रियली प्रिटी. आई विल होल्ड इट लाइक दिस सो दैट यू कैन सी. ब्यूटिफुल, very, very pretty piece, and a special piece. It's actually a special piece. And another piece which I would like to show you is a beautiful Pakistani, and this Pakistani is 2288. Size of this particular piece would be medium to a large only. Medium से large तक ही हमारे पास इसमें size है, उसके अलावा नहीं है. Do not apply. And the price point I've just told you, And then we had done a couple of these pieces, so we only have a few pieces left in this particular range. So medium, large up till XXL definitely है. बहुत pretty सा दुपट्टा है. And this is the lower. ठीक है. Price is 2488. Another piece we have a few sizes. Off white में beautiful सा piece दुपट्टे के साथ. Prices only and only. So current size मैं आपको यहाँ से बता देती हूँ. Current size is medium to XL. Price of this is 1888 only. Another piece, medium to 44 available. Price is 1250 only. 1250 only. A black and white, beautiful concept with harem pants. This we have a few sizes. Look at this very pretty piece. Few sizes, 1450 only. These are the pants. Another piece, we have a few sizes in this also. And I'm promising a medium to XL for sure. XXL we'll check in the kiosks. The price of this white is 2250 only. मसलिन है with the lining था. इसमें अगेन आपको साइजिंग मिल जाएगा. प्राइस आपका रहेगा 1650 और इस तरह से दिल बी गैदर्स हियर. इट्स अ वेरी प्रिटी नंबर 1650 एंड अ वेरी गुड अनोखी खिलौल सॉर्ट ऑफ अ वैरायटी. दिस इज द दुपट्टा. अनदर पीस, ऑल साइजिंग अवेलेबल. ब्यूटिफुल नाइस नंबर, ऑल वाइट with little. This is again अनोखी खिलौल क्वालिटी. यहाँ पर लेस है, हल्का सा बूटा है, यहाँ पर सारा वर्क है. प्राइस ऑफ दिस इज 1888 ओनली. Another very nice number. This is again a शरारा guys, please note it. This is the शरारा coming. Pure cotton का piece है with work here, with a lace here. Price is only 1750. वेरी वेरी रिच नंबर. बहुत सुंदर सा पीस दिखा रही हूँ मैं आप लोगों को. वी हैव अ फ्यू साइजेस एट द मोमेंट. आई एम शोइंग यू साइज 40 बट वी हैव सम साइजेस इन आवर कियोस्क, सो यू कैन आस्क. सो दिस इज द लेस विद इट. दिस इज अ लिटिल गोटा एंड द एम्ब्रॉयडरी, ऑल सीक्वेंस वर्क. वेरी वेरी प्रिटी नंबर. बहुत सुंदर सा पीस दिखा रही हूँ. द प्राइस पॉइंट ऑफ दिस आर्टिकल इज 2488. ऑल सीक्वेंस रिच Hakoba piece, extremely rich piece. Another piece, single piece, medium to large only now. Medium to large only, but sometimes we restock, so आप पूछें जरूर हमारे से. And this one is 1950. Another very nice number. बहुत सुंदर piece है ये. Medium to XL it is available, and I would like to show you the lower for this. The lower is breathtaking. It's pure linen का lower और इस तरह से. Price is only 1950. Single piece medium. Since we are showing only white base pieces, single piece medium. Price is only 1450. और मसलिन प्रीमियम सीरीज है ये. Another one, single piece XL. Single piece XL. This is the lower. This is the piece. Price is only 1350. And now an unstitched piece. So ये आपका अनस्टिच कैटेगरी में बहुत प्रिटी सा नंबर है. जिनको भी अनस्टिच पसंद है, ये महेश्वरी के साथ हमने आपको ऑर्गेन्जा दिया दुपट्टा और ऑफ वाइट ही लोअर है. बहुत प्रिटी सा नंबर है. प्राइस इज 1450. वेरी रिच मसलिन बडी. इन फैक्ट दिस इज वाज पैक्ड. वी हैड एन एग्जीबिशन थ्रू द वीकेंड एंड हमने इसको स्पेशली निकलवाया, सो यू माइट सी अ क्रीज इन दिस. द प्राइस इज 1450. इट्स अ प्रीमियम क्रेप मसलिन एडिट, प्रीमियम एडिट. 1488. Pure piece, pure georgette piece, and just don't miss onto the sequence. It's a very rich piece. Unstitched में है. जब भी unstitched की ब्यूटी अलग से ही निकल कर आती है. बहुत प्यारा सा नंबर है. Price is only 2488 because these kind of pieces we sell for 3500 minimum. Premium crepe decent diaries. Premium crepe decent diaries. कभी कभी there is a 50-year-old, I am 50 though, so 50 60 कोई wedding है, किसी को लाइटी कलर डालना है, उसके लिए बहुत प्रीमियम क्रेप पे ये बना है गोटा and a very pretty unstitched. This part of our video is totally dedicated to dog charity initially, and we make lot of colors in this. So apparently in the morning lot of colors in this have been sold out, and we can develop any color in this. So this is the high-low range of Mystic Studio, good for the plus sizes as well. And this is a giraffe. So आप सबसे पहले तो giraffe को closely देखें कि किस तरह से इस पे sequence आ रही है, because once I speak the rate you will say oh god ये क्यों इतना रेट ज्यादा है. जब हाथ का काम आता है और हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट आता है, इसमें छोटे छोटे जिराफ बने हैं, जब हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट आता है तो वो डेफिनेटली डिफरेंट हो जाता है. सो दीज आर द हाई लोज, गुड फॉर द प्लस साइजेस एंड द नॉर्मल साइजेस, एंड फॉर योर बुटीक्स, फॉर योर मल्टी डिजाइनर स्टोर्स we can develop it in any color, but we need one. So the price is on request because of our resellers. And then we have these beautiful high-lows with this different flower designs. So पहला वाला मैं आपको जो दिखा रही हूँ वो ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट पे है पीछे, एंड दूसरा फ्लावर हमारा ऐसा है. दोनों के दोनों हम किसी भी कलर में आपको डेवलप कर दे सकते हैं, ठीक है. एंड यू कैन पिक दीज पीसेस अप as it is. Now these are the high-lows which have become viral in the show. So this we have started again. These are the mull ones. Sequence पे हल्का हल्का काम and beautiful pieces. Pintex dresses is a lifeline of Mystic Studio. Every time you connect with us, you will have different statement pieces. Pintex dresses take your body shape from a medium to a size 4XL. So probably when you're seeing the video, these are sold out, but we will bestow you with new prints for sure. And Pintex takes hours to make. So every time we put beautiful neck pieces in this. Price point of these are 1,888 only. And then we have summer cool dresses like these. So look at these. So again, 1 is this, 2 is this, and 3 is this. Pure cotton, beautiful pieces with neck pieces. So this one's missing one neck piece, we'll add on. So they are very nice mull pieces again. And the next dress which I would like to show you is what we've got forward a lot of times, and this has sequins. So all sizing is available. अभी मेरे पास currently इसमें medium, large, XL है, और इसमें M, L, XL. So ये wrinkle dresses. So इनका प्राइस है 1495. And now since we are proceeding to different holidays in different destinations, we have these summer cool beachy kaftans which are 1250 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So these are summer cool kaftans, pure cotton and a batik range, 1250. Now getting forward another shirt, I'm showing you this shirt separately to tell you कि ये हम shirt किसी भी कलर में इस लेंथ में डेवलप कर सकते हैं. For people who like hip covering, you can tell me नेवी ब्लू, ब्लैक और बेज तो आप नॉर्मली बता सकते हो, वी कैन डेवलप इट. एंड नाउ वी हैव दीज ब्यूटिफुल कलर टोन्स एंड वेरी रिच नाइस शर्ट्स व्हिच वी हैव डेवलप्ड अगेन अ हिप कवरिंग. अब ज़ारा वगैरह पे जाओगे तो 4500 से कम आपको ये एम्ब्रॉयडरी नहीं मिलेगी, पर निधि टंडन के पास ये एम्ब्रॉयडरी आपको सिर्फ 1888 पे मिलेगी फॉर श्योर. 1888 सो एनी साइज पॉसिबल. प्लस साइज का थोड़ा सा अलग हो जाता है. और ये है आपकी पार्टी शर्ट्स फॉर योर क्रूजेस, फॉर योर डिफरेंट हॉलीडेज, फॉर इवनिंग्स, फॉर सनडाउनर्स, फॉर लंचेस. लुक एट दिस. Price is 1888 only, and this is all diamond piece. Size is good up till a 3X. And other shirts are these with sequins, very very nice, perfect for your lounge wear. Delhi has that culture, so I have to get something forward like this. So 1 and 2, 1,888 only. And now the most highly successful quads and fun time quads for you. With neck pieces, cool, nice pieces. Whichever part of the world you're watching the video, these are such nice pieces. We will get you more prints if these are sold out. They are soft, extremely soft crepes. And somebody asked me in the morning only, "Are ye garmi ke liye suitable hai?" Yes, this is our summer edit. Price is 1,999 only, and this has a border. 1,999 only, and every piece has a neck piece. And now this very nice piece, it's a wrap around. So ये wrap around हमारे पास 2 colors में है, 3XL तक available है. Good for your lounge bars and stuff. And this is the second color. Price is 2,888 only. It's a special piece. Guys, this edit is a holiday edit Mystic Studio. So since we are all going for holidays, and this is the way it is in northern India at least, so here we are presenting our holiday edit. So this one is a long digital kaftan. ये पूरा Swarovski है. Any age group, any size can wear our kaftan. So these are the casual edit. Another one, it's a short kaftan which is like you can wear it as a dress. अगर आप चाहें तो इसके साथ आप for sure कोई भी tights कुछ भी डाल सकते हैं. So it's a digital piece and a work of art. So these kaftans which I am showing you are 1,495 to 1,888 depending on the style number. ठीक है? So it's a U cut. अगर ये वाला आप देखोगे तो it's a U cut. इसमें ये वाला floral है, ये भी U cut है. So easily आप पलाजो के साथ डालना चाहे पलाजो के साथ डालिए, टाइट्स के साथ डालना चाहे टाइट्स के साथ डालिए. Otherwise, you can wear it just as simply as a dress. Simple and precise. Now this is a very nice crepish fabric, a very rich short kaftan and a soft crepe. इसी का longer version भी है हमारे पास. That's why so many difference of the pricing I have done. It's a super soft nice edit. Neck pieces are all inclusive. And then we have these Georgette dresses. So the first piece I'm showing you is this one. Size of this will be good from a M to a XXL. We have sizing for sure. पूरा handwork के साथ. Another one is again a long dress, highly restocked, medium to XXL को आएगी और इसमें belt है. Then we have kaftans like these. So इसमें भी we can add on a neck piece if you want. Right now हमने आपको जो दिया है इस तरह से coin work है और U cut है. This is an apple cut. Another dresses are slab cottons या cotton linen कुछ भी बोल दीजिए और medium to XXL तक available है. Another super cooler cotton dresses are these. So if you see इसमें हमारा face बना है, इसमें different printing है. So this is all prints. दो में faces है और prints. Another piece altogether. So we have these floral quads. These are again in the range of 1,388. 1,388. Another one. ये सारा पॉकेट पे वर्क है और नेकलाइन पे वर्क है. और अगर आप बैक देखोगे तो बैक पे भी वर्क है. सारे वेरिड साइजेस है. नाउ दीज आर अमेजिंग क्वाड्स और द होल थिंग इज दैट इट्स अ स्मोकिंग क्वाड. स्मोकिंग हो रखी है इस पर और कॉलर पे फिगर है. दे आर वेरी क्यूट क्वाड्स. ऑल साइजेस अवेलेबल टिल 46. All sizes available in this one also till 52. These are crepe quads. All sizes available till 52. So that is the kind of holiday edit which we wanted to do for. So this is a wrinkle lower. Lower is very interesting. For this one, it's a single piece. और ये लोअर आ गया आपका, और ये इस तरह से आपका अपर. Good up till a double XL for sure. Then we have these applique and Kaddana embroidery. Applique and Kaddana sizing available till 48. Sizing available till 48, not available with any vendor. इस तरह से इसकी लोअर्स रहेंगे. नेक्स्ट पीस, ये भी सॉफ्ट क्रेप था और ये भी सॉफ्ट क्रेप है. गुड फॉर मुंबई, चेन्नई, पुणे, एवरी city at the moment. Look at these. Very, very pretty pieces. Next piece to go are again very soft cords. बहुत soft से cords दिखा रही हूँ. ये आपका फर्स्ट वाला आ गया, ऑल हैंडवर्क के साथ, और स्लीव्स पे भी हैंडवर्क है. और ये आपका सेकेंड कलर. सो 2 colors. Very pretty cords. Available till 2XL. Available till 2XL. And now these are very interesting pieces. ये 4 कलर्स आप देख लीजिए, वेरिएड साइजेस हैं. और इसकी एम्ब्रॉयडरी में एक डार्कर नोट पे आपको दिखा देती हूँ. जस्ट होल्ड. एम्ब्रॉयडरी इज पार एक्सीलेंस, और इसके बॉटम पे भी वर्क है और मसलिन का कोट है. अब मैं एक लाइट चार्ट भी दिखा देती हूँ आपको. लाइट चार्ट में इस तरह से हैंडवर्क है. स्लीव्स पे आप देख सकते हैं. वेरी रिच लुकिंग पीस. And this is the lower. Now the lower for this one is plain, and lower for this one again has work. And let's see the lower for this also, so that there is no confusion at all. Only the green lower was this thing. And now a beautiful brush paint piece. So very pretty brush paint pieces. ये सारा brush paint है. Super soft classics. बहुत सुंदर पीस. Hi guys, now we are starting off with our suit collection, which is stitched first of all, and this is a Pakistani buddy of ours with a soft organza and a soft organza dupatta. So इस तरह से ये शिफले है organza में, and this is the look of it. This is the look, and the sizes will all go from M to a double XL. Another 2 pieces are these, mint and lavenders. So these suits, the first ones were 2288, and the ones I'm showing in the muslin series with laces are 2188. Another 2 pieces are these. So you can see how they look like. It's a teal and a pink. So dirty pink and teal, very very interesting and an important combo. And इस तरह से इसका लोअर रहेगा और इसका भी लोअर ये रहेगा. So they are very soft pieces, very very soft pieces with soft organza dupattas. And next to do we have these pieces. Only a few pieces left in this series. Applique and embroideries 1 and 2. And now this is a very sophisticated piece. It's brush paint. It's also on our Instagram page at the moment in a model shoot. And the brush paint is here too. So you can see what a elegant piece it is for the summer. Look at this. Very very elegant pieces. And sizes are available from medium to 46. Another piece which I am showing you. So 2 almost similar pieces with the dupattas. Price is only 1888, and sizes are all embroidered pieces for 1888. Gown and a dupatta. Now in the same series I'm showing you this beautiful concept piece. This has trousers, this has a bustier, and this is a jacket. So jacket you can use otherwise also. And they are very well good, nice coordinates for 2888 only. And a few sizes now available in these 2 pieces. lavender and yellow. Price of these are 2188 only. So size मैं बता दूं इनके, क्योंकि अब बहुत कम बचे हैं, 42 and 40. Sleeves पे भी हल्का सा कम. This one is only medium and a large. 1888 only. Another one medium and a large. चिनॉन के पीसेस दिखा रहे हैं आलिया कट में. 1888 only. इसमें आपको साइजेस मिल जाएंगे. 1495 पर है ये चिनॉन का पीस. XL to double XL 1688. XL to double XL. All sizes available in this particular piece. 1888 only, and this is your dupatta. All handwork. बहुत सुंदर piece. 1888 only. All sizes available in this piece. 1888 only. Muslin piece with this lace, samosa lace. 1888 only. Another piece, medium to double XL. This is your sleeve. Price is 2250. Only large left. सिर्फ large ही left है. So medium and large you can apply for with this piece. 1888 only. Sizes, free size for all. Medium to double XL. This is the lower area. Another stitch piece, medium to double XL again. 1888 only. Another piece is a Pakistani, medium to double XL only. Very, very pretty piece. Look at this. Very rich piece. 2188. Another piece, free size, medium to double XL. Pura Banarsi classic piece, good for your mehndi, ready to ship. 2488. Another nice piece. ये आपका XL to 3XL आएगा. पूरा हैंडवर्क है, बहुत रिच ब्यूटी है, बहुत ही अच्छा बेहतरीन पीस है. 2888. Very good quality. Another one, digital piece. All handwork here. 2188. Medium to double XL. Another piece, medium to double XL पर है ये भी. Price is 2188 बनारसी दुपट्टे के साथ. Very nice 3-piece concept. ये ट्राउजर है, ये इनर है, ये जैकेट है. पाकिस्तानी वाइब है इसकी. प्राइस साइजेस सारे हैं. प्राइस इसका रहेगा 2188. मीडियम टू लार्ज स्ट्रिक्टली 1495. Another one, medium to XL only. 1888 only with all this handwork. Extremely smooth piece, medium to large. 1888. Very rich looking number. I think this is the last of the series. By chance we discovered this today only. Price is 2488. Hi guys, so this is our latest Indo-Western and Kaftan concept pieces. So this is our new launch first of all, and this is the work on this. So you can see how the work is there, and it's a crepe thing. And this is the bustier. Bustier नहीं डालना चाहिए तो आप अपना भी कोई long shirt बनवा सकते हैं. और इसकी बैक पे भी equally nice piece of work है. So this is how the piece is going to look like. Look at this. Pants, this and this. So it's a beautiful concept piece, and the pricing was also very nice at 3500 only. Another concept pieces. So we have a teal and a yellow, because yellow सबसे ज्यादा हल्दीज के लिए लोग मांगते हैं. ये प्योर चिनॉन के हैंडवर्क के पीसेस हैं. ये कंप्लीट सेट्स हैं with a slit trouser and this kafta. So this is a very, very pretty concept. Next pieces are super rich classics. ये भी काफ्तान्स हैं और ये आपकी लटकन. बहुत सुंदर क्लासिक्स और ब्यूटिफुल लखनवी टाइप एम्ब्रॉयडरी. ये आपकी लखनवी टाइप एम्ब्रॉयडरी है पूरी थ्रू एंड थ्रू. द द मोस्ट सटल एंड द मस्टर्ड कलर, दोनों कलर्स आपके आ गए और बहुत रिच पीसेस है. 3650. नाउ आवर प्योर काफ्तान्स. हमारे प्योर काफ्तान्स में आपको देखने को मिलेगा ये मिरर वर्क का कंसेप्ट जो कि बहुत प्रिटी है. 2 tone ombre in the vertical is a rare piece of art. And to all our well-wishers who are trying to copy our kaftans day in and day out, please go ahead, copy, copy and copy. We will get new pieces every day. That's my determination. So these are our pure kaftans. और कॉपी भी इसलिए पता चल जाता है बिकॉज इंस्टेंटली हमने लॉन्च करा और किसी के पास नहीं है ऑल ओवर इंडिया, ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, सो ऑब्वियसली इट्स आवर्स एंड इट्स कॉपीड. So these are our beautiful pure kaftans. Now the rate of the kaftans are same for everybody. Reason is that they are with lot of effort going to boutiques all over India, all over the world. They are just nice classic pieces and this is the look of it. All handwork. Very very rich handwork, बहुत बारीक, perfect for your sundowners in between your weddings and functions, your 50th birthdays, 40th birthdays, 30th birthdays. Amazing product. This is a single butterfly, and once you go deep on our Instagram you'll see lot of other kaftans popping in. So these are really different pieces. ये हमारा लेटेस्ट लॉन्च है वैसे ब्लू में. That's the back. And now another single pieces. एक आपका ये आ गया. That's your handwork. This is the oldest piece which we have, which is the very nice rose piece. And then we have this piece which is a red number. Or so this is all metal work, and since we are in a summer season we also have this beautiful off-white with copper and a dull gold embroidery. And another pieces are these butterflies which are again very very pretty pieces. Now getting in some Indo-Westerns. So this is a gown. इट्स अ काउल गाउन. इधर में गाउल्स आ रहे हैं और ये आपका कॉपर से वर्क है. प्राइस ऑफ दिस इज 3950. एंड सारे हमारे जो काफ्तान्स थे वो 3500 से लेकर 3888 के थे. देन वी हैव अ गाउन विद अ दुपट्टा. लुक एट दिस विद मेटल वर्क ऑन द दुपट्टा. इस तरह से मेटल वर्क दुपट्टे पे. नेक्स्ट पीस आर दीज डार्क चार्ट. अब सबको लाइट चार्ट नहीं चाहिए होता है, ये हमारा डार्क टू लाइट है. इस तरह से 3 कलर्स आ रहे हैं. प्लस साइजेस बनवा सकते हैं हमारे से. दीज आर 3888 एट द मोमेंट टुडे और 2 लेयर्स में इसका वर्क है. बहुत प्रिटी पीस ऑफ आर्ट है. एंड नाउ अ वेरी स्पेशल पीस. आई पर्सनली हैव द पीस. इट लुक्स रियली रैविशिंग. क्रेप पर हाइलोस 3888 ओनली. आप इंस्टाग्राम पे जाएंगे आपको डेफिनेटली इसकी मॉडल शूट हमारे एंड पर मिलेगी. अनदर मेटल वर्क बडी. इसको आप लाइटेस्ट चार्ट में बनवा सकते हो, बट पीपल रियली लव नेवी ब्लू, सो आई हैव मेड इट अभी ऑन नेवी ब्लू. प्लस साइजेस यू आर डेफिनेटली वेलकम टू ऑर्डर दिस. सो लुक एट दीज ड्रेप्स एंड मोर ड्रेप्स you will see in our next video. Now these concepts are all different concepts and suits. So this is a muslin body, and when you see this piece, इस पे यहाँ पर embroidery है, and one side is sleeves is like this. It's a special piece, and this is the look of it. The most highly sellable piece of Delhi exhibition world is this actually. और ये अगर देखें तो गेज का नेक पे वर्क है. Similar piece to this is this one. So this is a different print. ये मसलिन के special prints हैं. Price is 2288. This is the look of it. And now some coin work pieces which have been hit in our shows. So this is L and this is XL, and it's with harem pants. And these are 1750 only right now. दो ही pieces है L and XL till we restock. And now some special pieces close to my heart. So this one is a 2-piece set, 1550. Pure linen में है और 46 तक जाएगा. This is the lower. Then we have a Lucknowi piece, an unusual one for that matter. A tie and dye single piece available at the moment. This is the statement neck piece. Size is up till size 44, 46 from a 40, and this is a lace. Another piece is this one. Size is 40, 42. Again a beautiful angrak in the nice series of Lucknowi. This is the neck piece and that's the back, and lower is off-white. Another special piece, small, medium, large and XL के लिए पूरा हैंडवर्क के साथ कॉर्ड है लॉन्ग. It's like a piece for a label. अगर आपको इस तरह का पीस, और ये आपकी पैंट्स है ग्रीन, मार्केट में मिलेगा. लाइक आई वाज एट धानमिल मेहरोली yesterday. These kind of pieces were exorbitant. Ours is 2950 for this set. Another special piece with short trousers. Short pants है इसके साथ, बेज कलर की इस तरह की, प्योर लिनन कॉटन की, और ये स्पेशल पीस है. इट्स अ फ्री साइज, नाइस क्लासिक मसलिन सिल्क, अगेन गुड फॉर द प्लस साइजेस. Medium to double XL, single piece available. Again with harem pants, a beautiful concept piece. Price is 1950. This is medium to XL, a very rich looking piece. 2250. Another special piece with harem pants, medium to XL, rather double XL I would say. Price of this is 2650. Another piece in the Innovation series is with a belt. आपको बेल्ट बीच में लगाना होगा इस तरह से. This is your embroidery and the piece is good up till a double XL, 2888. And now some unstitched pieces. So unstitched में हमारे पास पहला पीस है ये पीच कलर पाकिस्तानी लुक में. प्राइस इसका है 2188. 2188. Another piece is a peacock blue, a very rich piece with Banarsi zari work, Banarsi laces. Price is 2250. Pure Georgette putty. हमने initially आपको ये पीस दिखाया था डिफरेंट कलर में. अब है ये लाइम ग्रीन with embroidery. Price has been shared. Another nice number. Now this is a heavy piece. मैंने अभी तक आपको कोई भी हेवी पीस नहीं दिखाया है. इसमें लेदर वर्क भी है, एम्ब्रॉयडरी भी है, बहुत ही क्लासिक नंबर है, बहुत सुंदर पीस है विद अ बनारसी बॉर्डर एंड अ हेवी दुपट्टा जो कि आप ट्रूजो में लेके जा सकते हैं. प्राइस इज स्पेशली ऑन डिमांड. Another one is this. This is again a short Pakistani unstitched look. Look at this. Very pretty piece, 2588 पर unstitched. Another pure series. ये प्योर जॉर्जेट का क्लासिक सा नंबर है, बहुत सुंदर सीरीज है, पूरी सीक्वेंस आपको दिख रही है. प्राइस इज 2588. Another piece 2588 प्योर जॉर्जेट में पूरी सीक्वेंस के साथ, टोन ऑन टोन, ब्यूटिफुल नाइस नंबर. Another very rich piece. प्राइस इसका ऑन डिमांड जाएगा. पूरे पीस पे छीटा है सीक्वेंस का, इतना प्यारा पीस है ये. देखो, रिच क्लासिक series with the embroidery. I don't think I've ever seen such a beautiful piece, and this is my color. Thank you.